Okay, I'm going to do a in-pot swirl. So this is my activated charcoal. And I'm just going to distribute it in little circle pods. I'll go back to this one until it is completely empty. And this one, I got my spatula, so I will be right back. I don't want to waste my product, so I'm going to try to get all of this out of here. Okay, seems pretty good. We just kind of take this and we just go around a couple of times. Whoa, just messed that up. These bows are new to me, and I don't think that I'm a fan of these bows. Okay, let's try this over here. So that is my activated charcoal soap. So I will show you the finished product when I cut it tomorrow. I'll let it sit for about 24 hours or so, and we can see how gorgeous the bars are. Get some of the air bubbles out of here. Yep. So here is the soap that I made yesterday. It's the activated charcoal soap, and it has shea butter added to it. It's great for your skin. So I just wanted to show you how it looks once we cut it. We used to hand cut our soaps, but hand cutting, you just don't get the even bars, even though I did enjoy cutting it by hand. But we thought that we wanted more uniform bars. we decided to buy this cutter, and I really like it a lot. I like the way it makes my bars look so uniform, and I'll show you what it looks like after we've cut them. So here's one of them. Looks great. I love the color. I love the marble look. Really nice. Look at that. It's beautiful. Like how it came out. We did the in the pot swirl. And I love how it looks. I mean, this cutter just makes it so much quicker to cut, especially when you do several loaves of soap, and you can't wait to cut them because they will get hard, too hard to cut. So you want to cut them within 24 hours of making your soap. So I hope you enjoyed this. And we do sell our soaps. You can go to suuridesign.com. That's SUURIDESIGN.com. Thank you.